Hey there, this is Sam from GHL SaasKits, and in this video I'm going to show you a quick overview of our new snapshot called ReviewKits. Okay, so you already may know that we have a existing snapshot for a GMB ReviewKits, which is actually built for a Google My Business review setup. Okay, to collect a review from Google My Business pages. Okay, but this snapshot is totally different, and it's an upgraded version of the previous snapshot, and now it's a full featured snapshot. Okay, so this will comes with a review getting a landing page, a thank you page, as well as the email automation, the QR code builder, and also all the email content and everything. Okay, so let me show you step by step how it will works and what you will get inside this snapshot. Okay, so let me start from this page. Okay, so let me reload it at first so that you can see it from scratch. Okay, so now when someone come to your review collection page, okay, this is a review collection page. We can send this page link through the SMS, through the email automation campaign, and or through the QR code. Okay, so this is the page where people will land, and now you can see we have the option to put the business name or product name, and also some paragraph is actually it's actually you can design with your own content. Okay, by using the GoHighLevel page editor. Okay, and the special feature is here. Okay, so when you can see here, rate our services. Okay, so when someone click this star sign, okay, the star review, then it will behave based on their selection. Let's say if someone want to give even negative review of 1 star. Okay, so immediately it will open a form where they can provide their feedback, like their name, email address, phone number, and the message they actually want to say about the product. Okay, as a negative feedback. Okay, so this will be same for up to 3 stars. Okay, so if someone select 1, 2, or 3 stars, the form will be pop up. Okay, and they can provide their comment or feedback. But if they select 4 star or 5 star, then it will show the platform, okay, where they can provide their review. Okay, so currently we have a lot of different platform. Okay, so more than 10 platform, but you can integrate with any platform. Okay, so now it's not just for the Google My Business, but you can literally add any platform, any review platform you actually want to use. Okay, so in this example we have Google My Business review page, Trustpilot, Airbnb, Facebook, Yelp, Twitter, okay, which is X now, G2, Captra, Dribble, Amazon, Booking.com, Google Play, and our custom one. Okay, so this is actually just for the demonstration to add a custom review platform. Okay, so this way if someone select, okay, so in this page we just linked the Google page. Okay, so not the actual review link. So anyway, if I click, then it will take me to the link that I added. Okay, so if I added the Google My Business review page link, then it will take me to here. Okay, so and it's really easy to implement all these functions in your well, so one more thing I want to show you here. Let's say if someone select 3 stars or 2 stars and provide the feedback, then they will redirect to the next page, which is the thank you page. Here is a thank you page, and again you can put your content here. We just added some dummy content into the page, and at the same time we have the automation to send them a message. Okay, so let me go back to the snapshot. Okay, and here is the snapshot. Okay, this is the funnel. Okay, let me show you. This is the funnel, review collection page, and the thank you page, and we also have the negative feedback form inside the uh, snapshot. Okay, here is the review negative review feedback form, and then we have the automation. Let me show you the automation. Okay, so once you import the snapshot, it will everything will be go inside your account. Okay, so this is the negative feedback reply. Okay, so if someone submit the negative feedback form, and they will redirect to the thank you page, and at the same time they will receive an email which is actually the negative feedback reply email. Okay, and then we have a sequence of two different sequence of email campaign. Okay, so this will actually send automatically when someone purchase a new product, okay, for the new customer, or if you have already some customers in your list and you want to ask them a review for your product or services, then you can also use this old existing customer review request campaign. Okay, so let me show you one by one. First of all, this is the new customer campaign. So first email will be sent after 12 hours they purchase the product. Okay, so once they purchase the product, after 12 hours it will send an email as well as an SMS, okay, with the review link. And then after 3 days of the first email, we again send them another email and SMS, which is also let me show you an example. Okay, so here is it. You can see here how are you finding product or service name. Okay, this is just for the placeholder. You can put your information here, and then here is the message. Okay, so this is actually the email they will receive, and for the message, okay, the SMS, they will get this SMS. Okay, so you need to put your review page link as well as your product or service name. Okay, as I said that this is just for the template version of the automation, or you just need a few more customization, like put your review page link, put your business name. Okay, this type of information you need to put, otherwise all the content is already done. And even if you want to use your own content, then you can also do this by removing the existing content and put your own content. Okay, but everything is already done for you, so you don't need to do new content. Okay, you don't need to write content from scratch. Okay, so then the third email, which will be sent after 5 days of purchase. Okay, again there is an email and an SMS, and after 7 days we have the same thing, email and SMS. And for the after 10 days of purchase, we actually send an final email and SMS. Okay, so this way we actually try to confirm that to get a review for our product or services, and they actually provide at least 4 or 5 star reviews to your review platform, as I showed you there. Okay, so otherwise if they select less than 4 star, then they need to provide the information, their information as well as the feedback, which will actually come to your GoHighLevel page, GoHighLevel contacts, and you can also reply them. You can contact to those customers, and you can improve your product or services, or you can also just contact them one-on-one if you like to serve them better. Okay, and the other thing is, let me show you the other campaign. Okay, so this is the existing and old customer automation. Okay, so in this automation we have 3 SMS and 3 email. Okay, so this will actually activate when you just have some existing customers before setting this snapshot. Okay, so they will get this snapshot, get this email. Okay, it's loading. Let it load fast. Well, here is the existing or old customer automation campaign. Okay, so we did not set up the trigger. Okay, so you need to set the trigger. And one more thing I want to say in this point, you will get a full training. Okay, a full training how to set up this snapshot, how to set up the campaign, how to set up the trigger link, how to set up the QR code, how to integrate with the code snippet. Okay, so everything will be full featured training inside this snapshot. Okay, so when you purchase this, you will get everything. Okay, so here is the old automation campaign, old customer automation campaign. So and the first email will go immediately once you launch this campaign. okay, and then the next email and SMS will go after 3 days, and then after 7 days. Okay, so in this series we have 3 SMS and 3 email for this campaign. Okay, so all content and everything is already done for you. All you just need to put your review link and the name of your business, okay, or product. Okay, so I will also show you that into the training of this series. Okay, so here is the snapshot automations. Okay, so as I already showed the funnel, the form, and the automation, let me show you one more thing. Okay, so here is the QR code generator. Okay, so into the QR code generator, let's say you want to use QR code to send through the email, or you can also print it, and you can, if it's a physical business, then you can print it on, or you can add it to your visiting card or whatever you want actually. Okay, so in this case, all you just need to put your review page URL here, and then your business name, and then click the generate QR code. Then it will automatically show you the QR code. Okay, once someone scan this will actually take them to this link, and then you can also download the QR code. Okay, so let me download it. Okay, you can see here, once I download it, showing me the QR code. Let me show you just a moment. Here is it. So you can see the QR code downloaded. Okay, so this way you can actually use the QR code if you need this. Okay, so that's it actually for this overview of this snapshot called GHL ReviewKits. Okay, so thank you very much for watching this video. Have a nice day.